everybody doing today? Yeah, we've had a couple days of rain, and it's supposed to rain again for a few more days. So I'm pretty much sitting on a lakefront property here. Ooh. But anyways, my cross shift, he went to Cabela's one day and bought a whole bunch of these Alpine Aires. I haven't gotten to try any of them yet, so he let me have one. And this one is the creamy beef and noodles with mushrooms, or stroganoff. So this one's pretty cool. It's got this measuring device on the side. It's only in centimeters, which I don't know how to convert to centimeters, but I know that this is about 8 inches. Nicely packaged. Looks like there's perforations up on the tear notch here. You can see that. So I'm not sure if that will affect the shelf stability or not. Yeah. So this is a 2 servings, I believe. Yep, 2 servings. And let's go. There we go. So that's your nutrition information, and then you got your ingredients and instructions. Well, let's give it a rip, see what we got going on in there. Let's see if it tears pretty good. So far, yeah, tearing pretty straight on both sides. So that was nice. This is out of there. We got some powder on it though. But right off the bat, all a bunch of noodles on top. See the mushrooms and chunks of beef in there. All right, get our water going. Well, that's a little warm. Like it clumped up in there pretty good. That was a really nice smell to it. Get it sealed up, and I'll be back in about 10 minutes. All right, let's get this open. Maybe. Now that looks pretty dang good. So it looks like 2 cups of water might be a little too much, unless you like it a little soupy, but for me, that might be a little too much. So I'd probably go 1 3/4 cups. Looks like there's some nice peppers in there and big chunks of mushroom, little tiny chunks of beef. That's okay, that means it should reconstitute a lot better. Looks pretty dang good. It does have a tart kind of taste to it, like it's got sour cream. Mushrooms got a nice chew to them. The noodles are perfect. Nice creamy sauce. You can definitely taste those peppers and all those herbs in there. Tastes kind of like it might have some cheese of some sort. Yep, it's got cheese powder in it. Pepper perfection there. And I forgot to show off my knife. I'll do that now. So this is another one of my favorite EDC knives. It's a karambit style blade. Very sharp. Been carrying this one for quite a while. And it's also a D2, so you see it's getting a little bit of rust on it, but that's what happens to very high carbon steels, especially when you carry them in your pocket and you sweat. They're gonna rust a little bit, so just take a little scouring pad and scrub it off, oil it up. And this is a titanium, and the scales are G10. So this is their cheaper model. This one I think was $33 when I bought it. You can get the same design and better materials for up to $140, I think, with S35VN steels and titanium scales. With that, then they're also, this one's liner lock. The higher end ones are frame lock. I think I've shown this knife before a couple times. Well, this is the one I'm carrying today. And we'll interrupt this program with the General's grenade style hot sauce. So this is the red, or dead red. It's the 3-star. It says it's a 3-star heat rating, which I don't really find any heat in it whatsoever. Got good flavor. Better, probably be a really good wing sauce because it's got a lot of vinegar in it, but it does have a little bit of garlic. You can definitely taste the garlic. But for the most part, it's vinegar flavored. It's very thin, but I'll put a little dab on here, see if I like it. Yeah, kind of just ruins the flavor there. But pretty cool looking bottle. Wait, that upside down? Yeah, that was upside down. It has a little dog tag on it. I was getting some weird crunchy things. Come find out there's big chunks of cartilage in this stuff. So that's kind of gross, in my opinion. But it doesn't kill anything for me. I just have to be more careful. So aside from the crunchy cartilage chunks in there, it's actually really good. I mean, it's got a really good creamy flavor, nice cheese notes to it. It's got a little more flavor than a regular stroganoff. It's got a lot more herbs in it. I actually like this one a lot. Compared to Mountain House, the flavor is better, the quality is less. I definitely have to try that one again. I'm definitely gonna look into these a little more and see what other flavors might interest me. Or I'll just go through the whole thing like I did with Mountain House. But I don't know. But yeah, anyways, y'all take care, stay safe, enjoy your day.